caught tricks like that. Oh! Look back, double grab, scorpion. Just about as extended as you can get that trick. Oh! The biggest super cannon he hasn't seen all weekend. Oh! It's always been one of my favorite tricks. Jesse Josie. Look back, heart attack. Tsunami. Good God, there's a hurricane brewing out here. Superman backflip. One by one, hit my ass in the air. What do we got? Don't let him get away with that.